Hello and welcome. And we are now looking at Anchor.fm. And this is an alternate way of being able to work with your content for your interview show. And it's considered to be an easy way to make a podcast, in addition to the fact that it's 100% free as a host. So what you'll want to do is to click Get Started. And with Anchor, you can be considered to be someone who is going to start a new podcast, or you can already have a podcast. But let's assume that you want to make a new podcast. Once you write in a name, you'll then click Next. Now, you will want to upload a custom image to your Anchor podcast, but for now, we are going to go to the next step. We're going to give our podcast a description, and then we're going to click Next. We are going to pick our category, and then we'll click Next. And then we'll go through the process of creating our Anchor account. Once we do that, we'll then click Sign Up. We are then brought into the Anchor episode builder. We'll then click Got It. And then from inside Anchor, we can either upload existing audio from our desktop. We can record audio right here in this screen in order to get started. Once we click the audio button, we can then grab a file from our hard drive. We can then preview the episode by playing it from this button. And if we like it, we can then click Save Episode. If we want to change the title, we can do that. And then we can click Save Episode. Once we do that, we can either publish the episode, make it live, or we can save it as a draft or schedule it for later. And we are going to publish the episode. Now we can also record a new episode by clicking New Episode, clicking Record, and then we can click Record a New Segment, or we can do it from our mobile device. We're going to click Record a New Segment. We'll be asked to use our microphone on our personal computer. We'll then click Allow. And then we can then click Start Recording. We'll want to pick the mic. And then once we have our mic, we can then hit Start Recording. And basically, as we're talking, we are recording into Anchor. And once we have completed our recording, we can then click Stop Recording. This will then make our episode live. We can then hit the plus button and then save the episode. And once we have it, we can then click Publish Episode. Now that you've seen how to basically operate Anchor, in the next video, we'll take a look at how we would record with multiple people. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.